How many seconds till you catch one?
Me?
Yeah, you.
5,
All right.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah. A profit. Today I'm fishing with Captain Greg and our deckhand Chris, aka my dad and my brother-in-law. We're headed out to Catalina Island for the 3 B's: bass, barracuda, and bonita. And if we're lucky, we'll get something else. We started the day with a lot of bites and our bait's getting shredded without getting any fish to the boat. Why? Just loves sitting down. We had some sea lion friends joining us, scaring away the fish and trying to eat our bait. Soon enough, we started crushing them and getting some fish in the boat. A little over 14. Barely legal. Later.
Ooh.
Little boy. Ooh, barracuda. Another one for Captain Greg.
I love their eyes, they're so cool. Yeah? Oh no, it's right there.
That's a sea lion.
It's chasing whatever I have, maybe?
Yeah, get it in fast.
Oh, shoot.
There's the sea lion.
Oh, shoot.
Get it in.
Oh no!
What do you have?
No.
Can I poke the sea lion with something?
Oh shoot.
What happened? Popped off?
I'll just
We're going in. It's getting too hot out here.
changing really fast.
Hey, wait, let me get it on video.
Okay.
Fishing here at Catalina, we got a fish on.
Do it for Finley. For Finley.
Captain Greg just had a granddaughter born 5 minutes ago. Already hooked up. She's gonna be a fisherman.
White sea bass?
He thinks white. Captain Greg thinks white sea bass. Oh, I see color. It looks colorful. I think I see a yellow tail.
Yellowtail.
There we go. A lot better camera. No?
Doggone it.
Beautiful day.
Finley's birthday.
More fish down there. There's more fish. I kind of want to fish, but I want to finish this video.
Next time we should bring our fins and a spear gun.
I know. I told my dad I wanted to. This is great. I love this place. Are there any jobs on Catalina? Tired already?
Already.
We just started.
I know.
How long have you been fighting? 15 minutes?
At least. There it is.
Yeah, I got it.
We got some live squid, sardines. They look very happy in there. Color!
Ready? I'm running left.
Get them away from that engine. You want to head up there?
He's basically here. He's under the boat.
Right here.
Yellowtail, baby.
Oh,
There we go.
nice
Praise the
looking.
Lord.
Look at that.
Nice! Haha!
Man, great job.
Nice job.
Great start. It's all on the new boat.
Finley, this one's for you.
There we go. That's awesome.
That is a great looking fish.
Yes.
He's as tired as me, though.
That's awesome.
What's the call?
12 pounds, 12 and a half.
Nice. There we go. Good job.
That's a great looking fish, man.
Bleeding the fish lets it stay fresh longer. Gotta make for some good sushi.
Bloody
You
day.
see that heartbeat?
He's cutting his brain.
Yeah.
There's a hook flying loose behind you, I saw. What's your left hand?
Yeah.
Nice job.
It's gonna be so fishy, I feel like. I'll leave this off.
I was wrong. There was not
Should I
a
cut
hint
this
of
too?
fishiness at all.
Alright, let's try this.
Okay, cheers. Not bad.
Yeah, not bad. He's eating too. After this, we headed home and split the rest of the yellowtail with our family. Some raw, some cooked, and let me tell you, it was delicious.